Alright guys, so we've been showing you a lot of different stuff lately coming in. But we wanted to show you, this is a stone, I'd say about 3.5 inches thick on top of this door. We're going to drop back about 40 yards. I'm not going to go into details about the 60-yard shots. You know, you've seen them. That's not fake. That's not bullshit. It is what it is. You guys know that. I don't fake you out. You can see the remnants on the ground from that shot that I took the other day with the Glock. Alright? And the 223 sitting right here, waiting to go. So, we're going to see what this 223 does with this piece of stone. That's about 3.5, 4 inches, maybe. I say 3.5. So we're going to step back, we'll go in, we'll go out, we'll shoot, we'll come back, and we'll see what happens, okay? Let's do that. So, like I said before, no editing. We're doing what we do, safely, properly, and in a secure area. So we'll go back about 45 yards, and we're going to see what happens with that rock. See if it goes through the wood. See how good the 223 will penetrate. It's got about 45 degrees in New England right now. It's not a bad day. Sun's setting. So, let's get after it. Alright, let's go take a look, see what happens. I think a 5.56 would have probably done a little more. That's a hard rock. So, 45 yards, 223. And that's what you get. Peppered it out. Peppered this all out. Nothing through. And that's your 223. That's knowledge. If you want to know knowledge, there it is. You have, if you're trying to go through a brick wall, obviously not going to happen, right? But you'll take care of this, which don't mean much. But if you take care of this, and you take care of that, there's no problems at all. But we wanted to test this stone out. I mean, this is a very, 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 very dense New England red rock. So, we had a lot of fun shooting it. You can see the grouping for a red dot, not bad at all. Like I said, 5.56 might have been a little different. Might have snapped it in half. But right now, we're just having a blast out here. We're gonna have a lot of videos coming up. We got about 3 more to put up, and keep following. You guys gotta subscribe, because you know we're having a tough time with this. So subscribe, comment, do your thing. Have fun with everything. Talk about it. I don't care if you talk shit, just talk. I mean, this is what we do. This is what we do. Upside down, it don't matter. We do it. Get it done. Talk about it. Say, I'm a fucking fool. Don't matter to me. Just do it. But we do a lot of testing. We do a lot of drills. And we're also going to do a lot of camping soon. We're going to get the snow on the ground, then we're going to do some camping. So once that happens, you guys are going to enjoy a lot more. We're going to do some ice fishing. And this Colt, Hartford, Connecticut, deal with it. You understand? You can take it away on paper, but you can't take it away from me. Peace.